Hey guys, I'm going to show you how you can use Vocaroo in order to record your responses to this graphic organizer, and then how to link it to these little buttons over here. Okay, so say you're going through this artist spotlight for Bartosz Kosowski, and you want to talk about this piece right over here, the child. Okay, so you would fill out your basic information over here in terms of your name, date, and the artist title and all that kind of stuff. On all the rest of the links, you'll find on the bottom right corner, there's a button, a little PNG that says link. Okay. So let's say you're ready to answer this question. What emotions, thoughts, or attitudes does this piece bring up for you? You want to take a close look at this piece and think like, how do I feel with this? Do I feel a sense of like nostalgia? Do I feel a sense of I don't know, like wanting to cherish something that's precious because it's a cute little baby. What you're going to do is go to vocaroo.com. Okay, you can see the URL right there. And then let's see. Let me pull up a fresh one right here. Vocaroo.com. It's a very simple site. You click on this button, and then right now, as the timer's going, it's recording what you're saying. Okay, and then here's where you would say everything you can think about in terms of how what kind of emotions, attitudes, or thoughts this piece evokes for you. Okay, so once you're done with your response, press the stop button, or you could pause it if you have a little more to say. But I'm done with mine. You could press play to check on the quality. And then right now, as the timer's going, okay. And then if you're all right with it, you could re-record by pressing this button. Otherwise, if you're done, press save and share. Copy this link, okay, by pressing that button. Go back to your graphic organizer. Click on this, right-click on this, this link right here. And then, oops, right-click here. I'm sorry, it's not really coming up. So you can click on this, go to Insert, Link, okay? Or the shortcut for that is click on the link, press Control K, and then Control V to paste in the Vocaroo link, apply. And then now when you turn it in, I'm going to be able to go to that same Vocaroo link and listen to your vocal response, okay? So that's it, guys. That's how you use Vocaroo to record a verbal response and link it to these specific buttons, okay?